Okay, this video demo will show us how to install Ubuntu Linux. In this demo, we're actually installing it in a Sun VirtualBox, which is now Oracle VirtualBox, which simulates a machine. We did that so we could get the screen captures and show you the video. Here we're seeing a Ubuntu 10.4 install. You may use this as a reference. After your machine boots off the CD, you should come to this welcome screen where we will select the language, in this case English. We can select Try Ubuntu, which means it runs off the CD, or Install Ubuntu. In this case, we're going to do the install. First thing it wants to know is where we are. It has guessed that we are at this location in the United States in New York, which is correct. If not, you can select from these drop-down lists your correct location. Once you have that, we click forward, and here we have the keyboard layout. In this case, I'm going to take the suggested USA. You can click the guess key map and then click the guess, and it will ask you to press the following keys. So we can press one of the keys, Q, press one of those, Z. Following key present? No, not on my keyboard. I don't see that one either. Or that one, or that one, or that one. So it's going through and it's going to try and figure out what kind of keyboard we have. And anyway, it came back to the fact we have a USA. Or we can manually choose a keyboard from these two drop-down lists here. These two, not drop-down lists, these two lists. Anyway, I'm going back to suggested option in my case. Or I can type, and you can also type some text, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 7, 7, and then star, star. It looks like it's working correctly. Every key I type is correct, so we can go forward. This is an important part of the installation where it prepares your hard disk space. Now in this case it's easy. Remember, we're doing an install in a VirtualBox just to get this video so you can see what to expect. This is what you would see if you had a blank hard disk. Okay, erase and use the entire disk, and this is the disk. Now it says VBox hard disk. We're using the Sun VirtualBox, which is something we talk about in the more advanced Linux courses. Not this one. So in this case, we're just going to let it use the entire disk. If you have a disk with something on it, you're trying to do dual operating systems, we'll have to come back and spend some more on that screen in another demonstration. Now it asks us our name, we enter it, our login, and we pick a password and re-enter it. I picked a very simple password. It says my strength is weak. You should really mix upper and lower case letters and add a number or two in there. However, for the case of this, which is the demo, we don't care. And we click forward. Now we're ready to install. We have all the information we need: the keyboard, the language, our name, the login name, our location, and now we just simply click install. And the rest is just sit and read the screens. We'll see several screens change along through the install, which tells us about some of the features that Ubuntu comes with. We covered these in details in the lab for this course, so we're not going to go into them here now, except to say that they pass with time. Ubuntu comes with Openoffice, which includes a word processor, a spreadsheet, and a presentation program. And Ubuntu supports full accessibility for those that need a little extra help. After all the installation is completed, we should come up to this Installation Complete window, and we simply click Restart Now. It says right there. So you remove the disk, close the tray, and then press enter. So we'll just press enter after removing the disk. Of course, if you get the friendly bongos and a login, that means things are going well. Select your username, type in your password, click login, and we got our Ubuntu welcome music and our basic brand new fresh empty desktop. Congratulate yourself, you've done well.